To pair the blind and the remote, firstly select the correct channel you wish to install the blind on, using the left and right buttons at the bottom. Press the red button on the motor until the blind jogs up and down. Turn the remote and press the C button on the back until the motor jogs again. The blind is now paired with the remote control. If the blind is going in the wrong direction, we need to press the stop button and the L button together. This will reverse the direction. When the blind is travelling in the right direction, we need to set the limits top and bottom. Turn the remote and press the L button on the back until the blind jogs. Setting the top limit first, press up. When we get close to the final position, press the stop. You can then fine tune by pressing up or down. When you're happy with the position of the blind, turn the remote and press the C button on the back to confirm. To do the lower limits, press the down button. When you're getting close to the closed position, press stop. Again, you can fine tune with the up and down buttons. When you're happy with the position, press confirm. The top and lower limits are now set. You can also introduce a third position by taking the blind to the third position, pressing the stop, and by pressing the up and the L button together until the blind jogs. Now with the press of the stop button, the blind will go to that third position.